Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today we are doing my July 2021 Vegancuts beauty subscription reveal, unboxing, unbagging, because mine comes in a little bag. But before we get started, I want to talk about what I'm wearing a little bit today. So I have been using this quite a bit mixed with foundation, and I love the results. It's super luminous. This came in the June 2021 Kinder Beauty box, yes. And it is the Alekia Beauty Illuminator in, oh gosh, I don't know what color it's in. It doesn't say, there's no sticker. Okay, well, it's the Illuminator, and I think it looks great. So I have been wearing it a lot with this, the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40, because it's hot, it's summer, and I love that this is just barely any coverage. That's the kind of coverage I like. I like to still look like myself. But today I am wearing it with the First Aid Beauty Triple Protect Skin Tint with Goji Berry SPF 30. This, I believe, is discontinued and you can't find anymore, but oh, it's definitely expired. Oops. Use things at your own discretion, that's my opinion. But yeah, it looks great with both of them, and this is just an amazing product. Really love it. Another item from, I think, the same box? No, this is from the May box. The May Kinder Beauty box. The Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Desert Rose. I'm not wearing this today, but I have worn this recently, and I really like the color. Thought it was beautiful, so I wanted to share that. And just because I'm sharing products from the boxes, this is one I have shared on here before. I forget which box this is from, but it is the Origlamix Lip and Cheek Gelée in Bunny Snuggles, and I've got that on my cheeks today, and I just think it looks really pretty with this combination of products, so I wanted to mention that as well. Now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get started looking at the products that came in the June 2021 Vegancuts beauty subscription. So I am just going to start pulling them out. It looks like, according to the card, we're getting 4, and according to the card, this box supports Dozer and Friends at Catskill Animal Sanctuary. So here is that. There's Dozer, cute little cow or bull, or I don't know. Look, I love the animals. I wish the best for them. I don't know what they're all called. So the first thing we have here is from Gypsy Soul Organics. Are we supposed to be using the word gypsy? Isn't that controversial for one reason or another? So that's questionable. I don't know. It's their Yoga Mist for body, mat, and room. Shake it, mist body, mist mat, mist space, namaste. So this is just like a room mist, which, you know, I've been really into lately, so not mad at it. This is a $30 value. Okay, that I'm mad at, because this is lavender water, eucalyptus leaf, bergamot peel, witch hazel leaf, and tea tree leaf. If you had all these individual ingredients, making this yourself would probably cost a couple of bucks, so it does not need to be a $30 value. That is insane. Just throwing that out there. Discover this versatile spray can be used to mist yoga mats, rooms, or body. Aromatherapy from pure essential oils like bergamot and lavender, paired with odor neutralizing witch hazel and antimicrobial tea tree oil, make this a wonderful addition to your car, gym bag, or home to refresh and energize lightly, mist into the air body, or directly onto yoga mat. So the value? Well, it says this is worth $30, so that covers the subscription, but also, who in their right mind would pay $30 for this? That is insane. Insane. Sorry, that is my computer making noise. Anyway, I think the computer was agreeing with me. That's an insane price to pay for that. Just my opinion, but whew, but I will use it, so there's that. The next item we have in here is from Lemon Organics. It's their medical grade hand sanitizer. Fantastic, because we are all going through plenty of this still in the tail end, fingers crossed, hopefully, of the pandemic. And let's see, Lemon Organics hand sanitizer. This is a $7.99 value, which if you were going with a random cheap store brand. Yeah, this is a little bit expensive, but I guess since everything's organic, that boots the price up. Made for sensitive skin, this bio-based organic hand sanitizer is never sticky and leaves hands refreshed and soft thanks to repairing agents like aloe and jojoba. So that's really nice. That's probably what drives the value on this up higher too. So once again, another item I will use, so that's quite pleasing. The next item we have, I have something else from this brand that I haven't used yet. I think it's a night cream. So this is the Save Rejuvenating Moisturizer. So this is the Save Ultralight Rejuvenating and Anti-Pollution Moisturizer. It says 23 plus. So to me that must mean it retails at different prices, different places, I guess. Not sure. Apply daily to clean, dry skin. Gently massage until fully absorbed. These moisturizers leave skin hydrated and restored with ingredients like bamboo bioferment. Okay, that's one ingredient. To support skin renewal, anti-aging, bakuchiol, and ectoin to repair skin's protective barrier. So that is all wonderful. Now let's look at these ingredients and make sure there's nothing crazy in here. I mean, just the initial look over this, this seems okay. I would have to really get into it and look through everything on that list, which is printed really tiny. But so far this seems okay. I don't think I've given you a close-up on all these products. So here is the moisturizer, because you know my camera just loves to focus on stuff. So there we go. Here is the hand sanitizer and the room spray. Okay, now let's focus back on my face. Thank you. And there's 2 more products to go. The first is from Eco Lips. It is their Bee Free Sweet Mint Vegan Lip Balm. So here is that. And it matches my nails. I just painted my nails. So let's read about that. So it looks like you could get different flavors depending on what was put in your bag. Sweet mint, lemon lime, and super fruit. Super fruit is the flavor. So I'm happy with sweet mint. I'm excited about that. It's a $3.49 value, which is not bad. And the description is formulated with organic fair trade cacao butter and coconut oil. These lip balms, sorry, that's my computer again. These lip balms treat rough, dry lips, leaving them soft and supple. Not only bee-free, but also 100% plastic-free and packaged in plant-based plant pod tubes crafted from farm byproducts, eco and effective. That's very exciting. I'm looking forward to giving this a try. I'm going to wait to open it though, because I have several other lip balms all over the house in the middle of being used. And then the last product is from Super Zero. It's their shampoo bar for normal to oily hair. I would say my hair tends to be more normal to dry, but this is what we're working with, you know. They've got to send out things that work for everyone. Okay. And let's open it up. Why not? Here is the bar. It looks like it's got like granules of rice in it or something. It's very strange. Lightly scented. I can't really place the scent. Let's read about that. This is a $6 value. It's really tiny. I wonder how many uses you'd get out of this. In circular motion, rub the bar over fully wet hair, forming a lather. Rinse to clean. Certified microplastic free and climate neutral, Super Zero does not sacrifice performance for sustainability. So that's cool. I have a few of these shampoo bars. I haven't really gotten to any of them yet because I'm in the middle of other products, but I think I'm going to start giving them a try because I find it super interesting. I love that it's like basically this little piece of recyclable cardboard is the packaging and there's nothing else to it. But yeah, I'm very interested. So overall, I think I'm going to use every product from this. While I think it is an inappropriate value to put this at $30, I will still use it. But yeah, pretty cool box. I like, there are a lot of practical items in this. Chapstick, hand sanitizer, stuff I'm definitely gonna use. So I'm pretty happy with this month's Vegancuts box. Been pretty happy so far with all my boxes that I've gotten this month. So that is all I have to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And I just want to remind you guys, one, my Poshmark is linked down below. I've just listed several new items on there if you're interested in checking any of that out. I try to ship next day, so check that out if you're interested. And two, I do always try to link to what I'm wearing clothing wise and makeup wise, or something similar down below. And or if it's just old and doesn't really exist, you know, it might not be down there, but I try to link to all that. So if you're ever interested in what I have on, just check the description box, or if it's something that you'd like me to start sharing in every video, I can do that if anyone's interested. But yeah, that is all I have to share with you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye.